So for an example, I am trying to do some process in the EWM side, inbound side. How system works? In between both the servers, in the same box, we have the two different layers. At runtime, how it works? It always connected with the RFCs. Always RFCs are nothing but remote function call. If you want to call some function modules, why we have this RFC? This is nothing but a bridge. How? When we do some process here, so for an example, if you're going to create an inbound delivery, you will go to the /n SCWM then PRDI. How your ERP system will come to know its delivery has been completed or not? How? Through this track, through this layer, which we call RFC layer. So whenever the process is done successfully here, this EWM layer will notify to the ERP system, okay, I am satisfied what you have tried to do from the ERP side. For an example, let's talk about the business. We have the, I purchase like 10 quantity of the material. Then I create the purchase order. Then I do the inbound delivery in the ERP side first. Directly, I will not come to do the process in the EWM side by the PRDI. First, we need to do this process in the ERP layer. So who will come first into the picture? ERP, because this is the basic. This is the base. So if you want to build a building, you should put the base first. We dig the like, then they put the some kind of like, for an example, these are the pillars. Without pillars, you can't build a building. So this is the pillar. ERP here is layer is nothing but a pillar. So when we process inbound delivery through the ERP side, we process into the EWM layer. If any problem will come into the picture, okay, EWM system is thinking, okay, everything is fine. Something problem is there in the layer. So system is trying to reach from here to communicate with the ERP, but some problem with the process we have, immediate we get the queue is stuck in the SMQ2 in case of the inbound queue. That means system says, ERP says or EWM says, I'm not well. Something is a problem in between both the system. We need to rectify what is the problem. So this problem we see here. Here, queue name. Queue. Because data transfer in between a queue. See, this is the way. This is the track. So if you want to travel from Bangalore to Mumbai, you will go through the way. This is the way. This is the mediator. And we call queue. Queue is nothing but a way, a track, where something is, for an example, you are trying, but suppose you are sending something like from Bangalore to Mumbai through a container. Suddenly what happens? It get accident in somewhere in the Maharashtra, Kolhapur, in between somewhere like, then it will come and stuck here. So if your vehicle will get an accident, then how the like traffic controller, they will come to know. They will see the number. They will see the number, vehicle number. Okay, this is the license. They will see the driver, who is the driver, who is the vehicle number, everything, the details we have here. So this is the track. If you go inside this track, then we will find the more details. Who is the user? What is the function module? I said here in example, there is a way, but always RFC connects both the layers forever. Without RFC, even if I'm talking about the advanced version of an RFC, then I can say we should use electronic data interchange, which is more secure, more faster. But another name of the electronic data interchange is we call RFC. RFC triggers always behind. This is nothing but a RFC function module. Remote function, RFC means remote function call. This is the function module. This is the standard function. But do one thing, just Control Y, copy this, go to /OSC37, press enter. This is a transaction code, and put this function module name here. Click on the display. CIF core interface inbound. See, this is the nothing but a function module. So in this situation, what happens? We have an ERP system. We have the inbound system. We've done some process in the EWM side, like inbound, outbound, replenishment, scrapping, slotting, through RF gun, whatever we do here. Something is between, something which we directly can't see, but something is there in between both the layers. We call RFC function module. Here we can see this. It has some gates. Even when we communicate between two systems, we have the ports, we have the gates. Ports are nothing but a gate. In the computer, we have the, when we connect with the Wi-Fi, or if we have the LAN connection, we have the gates, that ports. These have the gates. These are the gates. One import gate, one export gate. So here also it has import gate and export gate. How it works? When some process happen in the EWM side, any problem come into the picture, here import gate, system will takes, okay, everything is fine, I'm taking, okay, now I'm going to send here to the export gate. But if problem is there, from this layer, from this gate, in between both the import and export gate, system throws message. We have the stuck queue. Queue has been stuck. In the debugging, I tell you how to debug the queues, how we understand, how can we see what is the problem in between the process. So inbound says, okay, everything is fine, I'm going to send something, I'm ready, okay, I'm satisfied, the process is done. Now I'm going to notify to the ERP layer. These are not different servers. Server in the same layer, we have the different layers, ERP and EWM. I'm talking about the S4HANA, not decentralized. This is the embedded. So here it takes, okay, fine, give me. Then when he's trying to do the export parameter to notify, trying to notify the ERP system, problems comes here. This we see in the debugging side. How and why we have the problem. Okay, no problem. I will see what is the problem. Let's take any warehouse. What is a warehouse number here? Let's take any. Guys, please ask if you have any doubt. Till here, do you have any doubt, anyone? Please ask. At least notify me you are there. Everyone is there. Kostini, you there?
Yeah, Manas.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for the notification. Okay. What I'm doing here, I'm checking this phase. Before going out, before coming coming, I'm picking this thing. Try to checking this. What is the problem in the, so for an example, if we have some high BP, low BP problem, where we go? So doctor will check directly your heart. In one of the video in the YouTube, I put PPF. I called PPF is nothing but an heart, because we do the configuration there, and inside the PPF system calls the function module, and their system call the remote enable function RFCs. That's why I indicated that RFC is nothing but an heart. Okay, so I'm trying to analyze the problem with the heart. I'm checking the heartbeat. What is the problem here? I'm picking some delivery number. I'll show you. It's replicate product. Location does not exist. Just a moment, please hold. Yes, Satish. Yes. ఒక నిమిషం. What? Why? Thank you very much. Okay. Thanks. Okay. 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 Partially completed. What is the activity pending? Hmm. So here I will not do any changes, but here we need to create one warehouse task for the moment. Okay. Here